was completely one of the most original pieces of imaginative literature I'd ever read. And when I read it, I could not believe that there could be a movie made from it, because the book is so dense and there's so many options. But we all together found the road into it.
It's an incredible movie, and Wade, the character that you played, Ty, an incredible role. What was it like finding out that you've been cast in this movie and we're going to be working with Stephen?
I mean, it was a dream come true. It would be for any guy like me who grew up watching Stephen's movies and was so heavily influenced by them. But yeah, I mean, if you work in film in any increment, I mean, this is the best call you can probably get in your career, that you're going to be working with this man. And just this movie was so exciting for me, and we had so much fun making it. I felt like I kind of reverted back to my 8-year-old self when making this movie, and we had so much fun. And we shot it here
instead of your 19-year-old self.
Not that far off.
And Ben, what was your experience of taking the role of Nolan Sorrento in Ready Player One?
It rocks, and you'll see it. It rocks. It rocks, and you can't rock more than on an IMAX. You guys are saying, look, we turned up for you. Hey?
All right, one final little bit of fun before we start the movie. A little bit of fun. Obviously, the movie is full of 80s references, pop culture references. Tell us, if you could bring one thing back from the 80s, anything at all, a gizmo, a gadget, a TV show from the 80s, what would you like to see brought back right now? I'll give you a moment to think. I miss TVs where you had to walk up to them and go thunk with the channel changing buttons. They were always fun to me. That was the only exercise I got. Stephen?
Anything from the 80s I would bring back?
Yeah.
Laverne and Shirley. By the way, there's no Laverne and Shirley reference in this movie. Please don't lose the story by looking for Laverne and Shirley. They're not here.
Ty?
From the 80s? I wasn't there.
I realise that now. From your experience on the film, though, is there something that you wish you'd seen first time round?
Well, it wasn't, I mean, this wasn't an 80s... I mean, okay, I guess you've probably seen the trailers, most of you? Yeah. The Iron Giant is in our movie, and that was a huge... Like, I love that movie so much, and now I get to be in a movie with the Iron Giant, so that was pretty cool for me. But he's not from the 80s, but anyway, I'm just going to say Iron Giant anyway.
And finally, Ben.
I'd go with Neighbours and Home and Away. Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. I hope you enjoy the movie. Let's hear it.
Enjoy the movie, please, everybody.